Shutting down the computer and unplugging the power cord is the first step in the CPU repairing process. Safety first. Next, I carefully remove the CPU cooler and clean off the thermal paste. Disconnecting the CPU fan and other cables is crucial before I tackle the motherboard. I unscrew the standoffs and gently lift the CPU from its socket. Now it's time for a thorough cleaning. I inspect the CPU for any dust or corrosion, using compressed air to blow away debris. A soft brush helps with stubborn particles, and I apply a cleaning solution, letting it dry completely. Inspection follows, looking for any damage, bent pins, or verifying the serial number. If reballing is necessary, I carefully apply new solder balls to the BGA and secure them with a reballing tool. Reassembly is next. I apply fresh thermal paste, install the cooler, reconnect everything, and secure the motherboard. Finally, I boot up the computer and run stress tests to ensure stability, monitoring temperatures, and checking for errors. That's how you repair a CPU.